Hello guys, if you want to learn trading, then this video is for you. You have a trade going on in front of you. Can you check my balance first? If you want to trade, so first you have to learn. Can you contact us? The method of contact is, I have given the Telegram link in the description below. Click on it and join the Telegram, and message us and our team will contact you. Anyone who wants signals can also contact us. You will get all types of IQ option forex trading cryptocurrency signals at low price. If a person wants to get free signals, then in the description below there is a link of IQ option broker. The person will create an account from this link. If there is any question regarding trading, then they can also ask. We have very old teachers sitting with us. Remember one thing, the way to contact us is only Telegram. If you go there and send a message, you will definitely get an answer. Will remain if new on the channel. If so, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and send the video to your friends. Until then, remember to pray for the next video.